Guys, hello my beautiful people. I'm in Jamaica, so I'm roasting breadfruit. Anybody know breadfruit? Breadfruit is a fruit and we roast it. You can boil it, you can eat it that way, or you can roast it and then after you can fry it. So over here now guys, I have 3 breadfruit on my fire there. I just put some brick on it, some tile, because the wind is blowing so much. So this is my breadfruit what I'm roasting, guys. Look at this beautiful breadfruits them. So that is 3 breadfruit right there. Just gonna give it a turn. Fire is quite hot. Wow, look at that breadfruit, my people. So I've used a long piece of wooden, it's a stick like this. You give them a turn. You need to keep on turning them around. Because you want the both side to roast properly. You don't want one side of the breadfruit to roast and the next side don't roast. Guys, this is part 1. Over. Wait for part 2. Part 2 is coming up soon. When I'm gonna peel the breadfruit and look over with some ackee and saltfish. So I turned that one over. So this one right here now guys, this one is a boiling breadfruit. If you want to make some soup, you can put it in your soup. Or if you're cooking hard food, you can put it in the hard food like yam, banana. And anybody never see a banana tree before? Over here we have the young banana trees coming up. So these are the banana tree. We have an ackee tree there. That's our national dish in Jamaica. So we have a young ackee tree. Up here now we have a big, massive ackee tree. So this is the ackee tree. I'm gonna show you the fruits them on the ackee tree. Out here we have some plantain. Because nobody look after them, then they stay and die because we don't have no one to look after them. So over here now guys, this is the ackee tree. You see those one up there were hopping with the black seeds. You have to wait till them hopping. If you force them hopping, they're very poisonous. You have some poisonous gas in it after release. When they hopping up and the gas release, you can eat the ackee. But if you force it open, it's very poisonous. So these are the one we're hopping up. And right here, we have the one, but don't open up as yet. So if you go there with a knife or a razor blade to force it open and then you eat it, you are gone. You finish, you die. So you have to wait till they're hopping up like that. So when they're hopping up like that, you pick them up the tree, then you take them out, then take out the seed, and then you boil them. Then ackee and saltfish is Jamaican national dish. You guys can Google it, ackee and saltfish. Over here we have some fresh mint. This is not like a peppermint, it's a different type of mint. This is quite strong. I'm just doing some cleaning up guys. Over here we have some banana tree. Like the normal banana you buy in Tesco or Asda, or you buy in the market, in the supermarket. So this is the banana tree. This is the young banana coming out. So this one now guys, if you want to cook this one is okay to cook. This one is ready to eat. And over here now we have the young banana, this coming out. This one shoot out yesterday. Look at that lizard. See the baby lizard there guys? You guys see him? Beautiful lizard. Look at him. So these are the young banana, this coming out. So these are the banana bud. So it really is hopping up, then this one fall off, then the banana finger expand. So this is the green banana. This is my small banana walk. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys subscribe. And I'm gonna show you guys one more picture. What you got to say, Marissa? Marissa is here in Jamaica.
Like, subscribe, and comment if you want more videos of this, and also follow.
Okay guys, so we in Jamaica, we are not going to do a lot of video. So please follow us on my TikTok page, and my Instagram page, and my YouTube page. So I light some fire over there. I was burning some rubbish. And then we have the breadfruit them still roasting. They're roasting for the last 45 minutes. We're gonna give them another 20 minutes, let them soak. When you know if the breadfruit is roast, they make up the breadfruit, they get a knife, and then you only stick the knife in it, and then they slide up the knife, it's ready to go. Now over here we have this big coconut tree. I cannot get any coconut off of it, somebody's stealing them.